to reset ESXi host password. This guide explains how to reset the root password on a VMware ESXi host. Applicable for ESXi versions 7, X and 8. X. Note: VMware does not officially support password recovery. Prerequisites. Before starting, ensure you have ESXi Installation ISO, console access, ELO, DRAC, etc. data store details. Backup configuration files if possible. Step 1. Boot from ESXi Installer ISO. 1. Mount ESXi ISO image. 2. Boot the host from ISO. 3. Press Alt plus F1 for shell access. 4. Open console to access system partitions. Step 2. Access local disk. Identify system partition, ls/vmfs/devices/disks/. Mount partition. mkdir/mnt/state. mount/dev/disks/mpx.v0:c0:t0:l0:5/mnt/state. Navigate, cd/mnt/state/etc/. Step 3. Edit/etc/shadow. Open file, vi shadow. Find line starting with root. Remove encrypted password, between first and second colons. Example, route:14600:0:99999 to 7. Save and exit, :wq. Step 4. Repack and reboot. Repack configuration. cd/mnt/state. tar czf state.tgz etc. mv state.tgz/bootbank/. Unmount and reboot. amount/mnt/state. Reboot. Login as root, no password. Step 5. Set new root password. Run, passwd. Enter new strong password. Reboot again to confirm changes. Step 6. Verification. Login via DK or SSH. Verify host, VMs, and services. Reconnect host to vCenter if required.